How to replace the Sound PCB on the Human Touch Certus massage chair. Be sure to keep all parts for reassembly. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Locate the upholstered flap underneath the right-hand side of the seat pad and lift to detach the hook and loop fastener to access the side panel hoses and connectors. Press the tab on each of the 3 white connectors to detach and disconnect. Pull upward on the 2 hoses to detach. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw and washer. Lift and rotate the side panel upward to detach. Remove the 14 screws along the inside of the side panel. Carefully pry the sides of the panel apart, making sure to avoid damaging the panel. Locate the Sound PCB and press the tab on each of the 3 connectors to detach and disconnect. Then, remove the 4 screws securing the board to the side panel. Place the new Sound PCB into position and secure using the 4 screws previously removed. Attach the cable with the green wiring to the upper left connector, the yellow to the upper right connector, and the white connector to the top center of the board. Attach the sides of the panel by aligning the posts with the clips, pressing each to snap together. Then secure using the 14 screws previously removed. There are 5 mounting points to reinstall the side panel. The horseshoe bracket to the post, the black tab into the slot, the clips onto the rear shroud, the rear white mount to the upper bracket, and then the front white mount into the lower bracket. Line up the horseshoe bracket with the post. Then, while applying pressure to the panel, slide the bracket onto the post to attach. Rotate the panel downward to attach the 2 clips onto the rear shroud and continue rotating to insert the black tab into the slot while inserting the rear white mount into the upper bracket. The back of the panel should be flush against the cowl. Check to make sure the side panel hoses and connectors are accessible. Then, push down on the front of the side panel to insert the front mount into the lower bracket. Connect the 3 connectors, by size, to their corresponding connectors on the chair. Connect the 2 hoses, by color, to their corresponding fittings, pushing firmly to secure. Now, replace the screw and washer previously removed to secure the side panel to the chair. Then, press the upholstered flap down onto the seat to secure it over the cable connections.